Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the front seats from your MK5 Volkswagen. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to disconnect the battery to prevent the airbag from deploying. Disconnect the negative terminal by loosening the 10mm nut and sliding off the connector. Then remove the bolts that hold the seat in place. There are two towards the front of the car and two towards the rear. You will have to move the seat all the way to the back to access the front bolts and move the seat all the way forward to get the rears. The bolts themselves are a 10mm triple square. Remove these bolts. Now you could lean the seat back to access the electronics. On a car with non-power seats, there should be 3 wiring harnesses to disconnect. The first has a lever that you must push to the side while you pull the connector. Be sure to pull on the plastic connector itself and not the wires. The second connector has a sliding lever that you must push down while removing it. The third has a sliding lever that you must pull up while you remove this connector. For this one, hold the connector in place until the lever releases and then pull up on the connector. Make sure that there's nothing else holding the seat to the car, and if there isn't, you can now carefully lift the seat out of your vehicle. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you get those front seats out of your car. If you have any questions or comments about taking the seats out, feel free to leave them below. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe for more. As always, thank you for watching.